Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Claude AI in VS Code. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch VS Code, come to the left hand panel, click on extensions, and then just search up Klein, okay? Search up Klein, I'll show you why. And once you find it, I want you to install this one with 1.9 million installs, 4.5 rating. You can click on this one and just click here on install. Okay, click on trust publisher and install. They are verified. So this is the client bot. And once you have installed this, I want you to go to Anthropic, come here, click on API, and then log into the console, and we'll be using it to access Claude. Okay, so log into the console, use your account, click on Get API Key, and then all you need to do is go ahead and wait for this to load up. Now let's go back to Klein. Now that we have Klein here, I want you to click on it. And now we need to first set it up. So click on use your own API key. And for the API provider, I want you to choose Anthropic. Okay, this is the best one. You can choose Anthropic and then use the Anthropic API key. So we'll go back here to Anthropic. You can go ahead and get started with them. Get the API key. Then all you need to do is paste in that API key and then click on Let's Go. And as you can see, you'll be able to use Claude AI in VS Code. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.